sorrel.
Yeah.
I jump on passion. I jump to one passion.
What that one there? What that?
This cherry.
Cherry? Cherry alone, huh?
Cherry.
Straight cherry. How it is?
It's a bit of it's fresh.
Oh, it's fresh?
That's sorrel.
Sorry, yeah.
No, listen me now. You can't tarry.
You can't tarry. Alright. So it's a business go on. Things kind of story. Things kind of. Or things not so 100. Yeah. But you still make ends meet same way.
Alright.
Right now, you know. Alright. Yeah.
Jerk chicken and roast breadfruit.
Alright. Yeah, so when you come right here, so one stop. Hello, chef. What do you have, chef? You have goat in there? And if you have pork in there?
You ready for a lawsuit? Ready for a lawsuit?
Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, say your boy Dex Speeder. And we're right here at Buff Bay, you know, people. I don't know, say I do one vlog at Sea-Wave. Because I show you the new development of Buff Bay. Because all heap of upgrade going on Buff Bay from where they from the last vlog. So if this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe. You know, so we post this video and enough other better video than this. Big up on yourself. Come on, man. Make us throw no one going for the vlog. Yeah. Alright, people. So as you can see me there right behind the building of Sea-Wave complex. I'm going to flip around the camera now and take time walk and show no one going for the streets. Alright, as you can see right here, so the first part of the building, Sea-Wave complex. One time the little boy still in right here, so did have a restaurant. But no restaurant not there again. If you don't look closely over there, so you can see one newer place there over the side, there you see it. And it mark I zoom up and show now go on. It says Sea-Wave Kitchen. So I guess it's a new restaurant over that side. Alright, I'm gonna go over there, but I'm gonna go over to the Sea-Wave complex first before I actually go over there. So yeah, people, as you can see, I'm showing you the sign right here. So this basically I show you everything where they over Sea-Wave complex. So as you can see, them have a pharmacy over there, and them have a dentist. Yeah, there's a dentist over there, and they have a car parts. They have auto parts place. Alright. Shabbat done. Yeah, I did. As you can see, what I go and see with people. So Sea-Wave complex. Still a develop same way, as you can see what I go on. I guess them are rent out the little part right here. So if anybody on here interested for rent it, maybe when you can link me so I can get contact with the owners. Alright. We're live on here now, you see it. Alright, as you can see, on furniture shop. They're right here, so oh, when you move, how are you say? So when you see what I'm going, so when you see what I'm going, people, the bar, they're right here, so now, Sea-Wave complex, yeah. I want to see what I'm going, so now, AJ furniture shop, yeah. No, YouTube. Hello, people. How you doing? Oh, that's good. Yeah, man, that's fine. I can come in and do my thing, though. Okay, nice. Yeah, people. So this is the new store over here. This is very, very new to me because from there Buff Bay, I actually know say I want to store it over here. So when you can totally come here and check it out. All right. As you can see, they sell a lot of stuff. They sell fridges. So in all they sell a lot of stuff. So they sell beds, as you can see. So I'm just a walk around and show no what I go and see them here. Alright. And remember, if you made this far to the video, remember to subscribe. Alright, this is a very nice stove they got here. This This is for 74,000. They even have a pot. This place reminds me of Bashko. Yeah. So as you can see, Buff Bay really I develop. Yeah man, Buff Bay develop people. Alright. Yeah, alright. Yeah, hopefully some people come. You can subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Yeah. Alright people, so as you can see, there's a dental solution place right here. And them have the email address and them phone number right there. Alright, so basically you wanna notice that the bar that's on the other side because them are work on the bar. Normally the bar would have day over there, so then look at them and upgrade the bar. Alright, so in here you have the pool room. Yeah, the most famous pool room at the Seawave complex. Yeah people. So hello. Yeah, I'm doing a vlog today. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's Dex Media. So as you can see, they sell like gift product in here, like all those stuff. Yeah, decoration and flowers and all these stuffs. Alright, so right here now you have the Straightway Financial Company. Okay, very nice. Yeah man, very nice. Shop number 5. Yeah. Oh, they do car rental also. Right here, people. Car rental. Phone number there. Alright people, let's get going with the vlog same way. Remember we at Buff Bay at the Seawave complex. Yes people. Never done a vlog here before, so I just said I'm gonna do one today. We got Dr. Med's Pharmacy. Yes people. Can get all your prescription in so and thing and your medication. The best place you can fill a medication, is it? I have the auto parts place right next to it. Right here, right at this doorsteps. And then still everything for your vehicle and things, so you can come and get your vehicle parts and everything right here. Big up yourself, General. Print company right here also. Named Speed Masters Shipping and Courier Service. So there's an email them the website link right there, so you wanna can check them out. So I wanna know for who live above Bay and for travel to Porty. Cause this is the right above Bay. So you know, so it's a good look for Buff Bay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah people, so we still at this Seawave complex thing as you can see what go on. Over there, so them are work from over the side there, as you can see. Over there, so the bar is there. Yeah. Well, work man. Hogwarts. Alright, so people, Seawave kitchen. So you can come right next by and get on the food and things as it. Alright, so see the menu right there, so. So the menu. Alright, so the new restaurant where they are Buff Bay. Alright, when time I want to reach a Seawave complex, when I go just turn off the direction here and come all the way over here. I want to see the new restaurant right here. Alright. Hello chef, what do you have chef? You have goat in there? And if you have pork in there?
You ready for a lawsuit?
Alright people, so we're gonna take our time and tour Buff Bay same way. As you can see, we are past the new restaurant above Bay. Take our time and go in at the town. We're still there right here, so same way. Yeah, thank you very much. So I take a crossing now, as you can see what going on, people. Crossing. Alright, so the Seaway building right here. So right here, so the nightclub. Normally there. Yeah, right here, so. But from Corona, I'm going to see them open it up back still, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Alright, right here now you have Mr. Arthur Place. Yeah man, you got Dr. Arthur. Yeah, my teacher. Yeah, I know. Everything good? Yeah, go and hold it. Alright. Alright, so we just pass Dr. Arthur Place. Yeah, look at hardware buff there. Alright, see there? Hardware and supplies. Alright, so right here so now. I don't know if you don't know about that jerk place. Oh, go on. I like a jerk place right here, so I show you what I go on here. Oh, go on. You're good? Yeah, I'm funny, you know, you see it. But they know say I run off the place above here, you know. Cause enough people don't know your thing, you know. At the newest thing this in above here right now, you know.
Roast breadfruit and
Alright. Yeah.
jerk chicken and roast breadfruit.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you come right here, so one-stop shop. When you get on a nice bowl of soup and everything.
Kung soup and black same time.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, man, you know, if you build up my structure, you know.
Yo. Alright people, right now we're there right at this complex, you understand what I say? Yeah, we're there right at Miss Brown gas station right there, so we have the plaza, you understand what I say? Yes people. So whole heap of upgrade go on at the plaza, you understand what I say? Yeah. So you have a liquor shop right there. And you also have a feeding store right on the other end. And see it. You have one little lawyer. You have a lawyer office over there too. So I'm going to flip around the camera now and show you what I'm going. You know what to say something? You know what to say something? Alright, General. Alright, so this is the lawyer place. Yeah, this is the lawyer place. Alright, so as you can see what I go on, one rack liquor. So when you can come right here, so you can get all down the liquor, supply. Alright. Yo, we're not staying. You have more place to cover. There man. Alright, so we're at the gas station same way. But you know say one at a time then the gas station here the lockdown though. But then finally open up back and ready for business again. So you know say this is the hot spot right now above here. Mr. Brown. Yeah. show the back view right there, huh? Alright people, see this the sea wave. No sea wave. Oh wait, what me I talk about? I joke more and going to the people. This is the George's funeral home. You understand? George's funeral home. Yeah, the #1 funeral home right here in Buff Bay. Yeah man. I know so I don't know about it. I recently them upgrade and everything in people. You see it look nice. Nice and everything. Yeah man, I'm loving the upgrade. Yeah man, the place bigger and everything, you know. Looking so convenient. Yes it. Yeah, George's funeral home. Alright people, let's get this vlog going up again. Alright people, so as you can see we're near to Shoppers Pride. Yeah, me there man. I do a vlog and if you subscribe, you know man. People them overseas that see what go on, they miss Buff Bay. So I show them, I can show them what go on. yeah. So basically we're betting game right here. Right here people. And a little gaming shop. Alright, so I don't know if you remember Miss Shernett shop. No. So the shop and the gambling shop over the same way. And over there so we have Shoppers Pride, and I know Shoppers Pride already. Over the convenient and everything. Alright, so we're gonna take our time and go through the same way. I'm gonna go on a full vlog of Buff Bay today. Yeah man, we're not on the yes. We're not on the rush. Alright, so you have a good bar right here. Something the bar this again. We generally name we own a bar again. What you name again? General for the bar. Yeah, Milky. Yeah, we're the right at Milky Bar now people. Yeah, right at some. Belt man. Alright. You're good. Oh, you sell a belt? Oh, you sell it? 6 bills to this. Okay. Alright, on next time still. 5 bills, 3 bells? This can fit me though?
Yeah man, I mean that can.
No, you're on a smaller one? Yeah. If you're on a smaller one? Alright.
No, listen me now. You can't tarry.
You can't tarry. Alright. So it's a business I go on. Things kind of story.
No,
things kind of. Or things not so 100.
No.
Yeah. But you still make ends meet same way.
Alright.
You have to do. Yeah man, you have to do what you have to do. Yes bro. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Alright people, so one new restaurant right there so right now. That's it. Yes, Mr. Presta. You're there on the bro, God. When I deliver. Yeah. Which restaurant you deliver for again? Alright, Survival Restaurant. You know, it's at #1, you know, man. You see people, yeah. You know, pick up yourself, bro. Yeah. Alright, so right over there, so you have Chinese. You see, I don't know if you realize the Chinese move from Upper Cross Road. No, they're not really moving, but them have one store down here, so, and them have one across road. So you know, say it's a good look. Alright? Oh, alright, right there, so you have the Liberty, daddy. You have the Liberty infant right here. Yeah, one of the #1. Hello. And you know, so this is the #1 patty shop, you know, man. You see it? From me, I got school, I know about a patty shop. And I just know. See the people, liberty. Whoa, me you want for me. Traffic I get busy now. Wanna see what going? Traffic busy. Alright people, so as you can see, we are continuing the vlog same way. You see it? Yeah man, we are continuing the vlog same way. So we're there buff base same way. You see it people? Yeah man, me link you bro. Me link you man. Nobody think of style, you hear? Yeah man. Maxi tire place. Right, so now we have one 24-hour it's a 24-hour supermarket, grocery store, everything, you see it? Alright, all going. Yes people. Wanna see that brick place there over there, some people? Yeah. Right, so now we have Soupy restaurant, right? So you see it people? That's a fast food Soupy restaurant. Right, so. Alright people. So right here so you have a farm store. I have Pete's all the way upstairs. All going. Alright, so right just so you have a little, you have a fabric shop. Right, so now you have a bookshop. Everybody are trying to get them back to school supplies. So a place well full up. If it don't look good, the last vlog I did put, I never really show the Pine Man. So the Pine Man right there, so the thing. Right I corner in there, so same way. Right over here, so you have the police station. See Pine Man are the thing right there, so. Police station right up there. Alright people, so the last vlog I did show, no? When they realized they didn't work yesterday, but yesterday now work on again. See the people, the new police station over there, so. You have the post office right as the same way. From me I got primary school, I know the post office there, you know. And I just know the post office there. And from the post office there, I never see them upgrade it, I do nothing at all to it. I tell you. Oh, go on. Father flight. Come over there, man. Yeah, the done in my youth. I must say, you made it put up the last time in my youth. So what's new? What you have to say now? What's going on? How the system are going now? Based on what you see are going. You think you see no changes are going since the place free up? Or are going for the place now? Yes, sir. Alright, sir. So you're good. How things are recorded for you though? You're going to take it easy? You look strong and healthy seeing you, man. Whoa, you look young and you fit seeing when you walk around seeing you. I rate that, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And we left and we come up and it was going to aisle.
Yeah.
And so I left and go come back and see I'll dry out and
oh, them things that keep you strong, man. Yeah. Yeah.
And when it's done, we come back and it dry out and everything now turned to wax. And then just check out and just wash some water in the pot and just bail wash up pot and we go boil ackee night.
Oh, okay.
And we eat. And you always have to not feel right.
Oh, you never feel right?
When I go to my bed at night, and the night before there, No, I piece and I can't find the way out.
Oh, you couldn't find a
I
way.
drop at the bedroom and I kneel down and the piece up my come out of my body and my ball out. I want to go to a girl named Sona.
Mm-hmm.
Sona, your people are talking about it and Sona come around there. When Sona come in the house,
Alright.
they shit up the place all over the place. And then Sona clean me up on top and let me Sona some me Havel.
Okay.
Hospital.
Yeah.
And then check my pressure 400 or 200. Then start looking.
Lucky.
And then I put them on the ball. I put them in
The soup cost that. Whoa.
I wash up the pot properly.
You never wash it properly.
So I never ball knocky now. Residues I pot. It's company accuracy.
Yeah, that's steel, man.
Them put down drinking and smoking.
Yeah. How that you stop though?
Yeah, man.
Okay. From that you get fit and everything now. Yeah. Alright, big up, bro. Alright, so that was the general. Let's see it. The first Buff Bay video we did post. I don't know if you noticed that him did it on it. And that talk about when him that tell me him views from Corona. You see it and what good for I can put the link so you can see it and watch it for yourself. Kind of depend on one of the video them. Alright people, so the brick church I'm going to show now, right over there side, you know people. The brick church. Yeah man. Ancient days. And this is the famous courthouse. Buff Bay Parish Courthouse. Right here in the middle of Buff Bay. Russell Avenue. Right near to the Buff Bay Primary. So you can see the roadman them now. Them almost, them do their thing. Cause the tour did stay last time. Not look too bad, yo, bro. Yeah, so it's a good look. Yeah, I like how the Buff Bay town the time I develop and I look clean and nice and everything. Yeah, see it, people. See the people right at the Buff Bay Primary School. That's my school, you know, people. Buff Bay Primary School. Alright, so right here now you have a little grocery shop right here. Getting still all sort of grocery. Alright. Yo, brother. Yeah, one restaurant there right, that's what people. One little stall place. Everywhere you see one little stall. So and you have one little shop right here, so same way. Long time the shop here there right, so you see it. The people. Buff Bay get developed, man, I tell you. So if a Buff Bay coming like town too, you have whole heap of hustler, whole heap of iglas. Oh, go on. Over this now you have Chico. Over this now you have Pastel in place. Right over there, so you see it? Yeah man, right side of Buff Bay Primary School. Yes people. So yeah people, so far Buff Bay really look good. I'm not telling a lie. So when you made this part of this video, remember say when you click the bell in man and like him. I want to see 500 likes on the video right now. 500 likes. If you don't want me to do that video longer. Yeah people, more 500. Alright, so people, so as I just show you Pastel in church. So I tell you say yo, the cash pot shop there right next to it, you see it? See the cash pot shop right next to it. Yeah man. Alright, so we are past the cash pot shop, you know. I'm not going on it on. Come on people, no, send up the likes. Come on, like up the likes right now people. Send up the likes. More likes for the video. I don't know say YouTube now, them are gonna push out the algorithm. The more likes the video get. So that's the truck we have passed a while ago, if you know wonder what I mean. When you remember Biggery? Oh, so that's Father Biggery. Father Biggery. How you doing, bro? Yes, sir. Yeah. Alright, so Biggery right over there, so people. You see it? Yeah, man. That's the Biggery right there, so. Yeah, I make them people that want to see what going on. You see it? YouTube. Up. Alright, so I don't know if you don't know that little shop here with the right here, so right next to with the barber shop there. Because the barber shop there is for a long time, so, you know. So you have one little shop right there, so. I have one chemical shop, yeah, brother. We have one chemical shop right behind it too. You see it right behind it, one chemical shop, yeah. We sell bleach and everything. When you see which part the cash pot shop did there when I show you, alright behind it, the chemical shop there now. Alright people, so you see what going over there, so? Liquor shop over there, Benji. I have a PC bank right here. Copyright. See what going on now, people? So right behind the PC bank, you got a studio. See the phone shop. Over there to sell gas. I have a restaurant right over there too. Alright. Ignite Sports Bar. This is the famous pedestrian cross the right and so. Vehicle them come up. Up at the plaza then now we have digital up there. That's it. Alright, let's say you have the Port Antonio bus stop. Right now the bus not really run like one time. You have to take taxi or them little bus there. And I change that in charge. No, not change that. Two bills, 250 in charge, man. 3 bills in a night. So you have a Scotia ATM right there, so. What going? What you say? Oh, you sell?
Yes, sir, but somebody works at 328. But there's
alright, so I'm just stay right there so we get a little views on what go on. So you got the gas station over there, so. You got the MoneyGram. Here, there's a MoneyGram right over there side of the ATM. Squeegee gas station. Oh, go on. I said the direction will bring you back to town. The direction will bring you to Buff Bay Valley. So I'm just circle the town and see what I go and see town. You see it, people? So now Mr. White Plaza over there, so you see it? Yeah. Cleanest plaza right now in the town. I tell you. I'm gonna do one, alright, comment below if you know I'm do one vlog over there. Cause I have to do a separate vlog over there because there's a lot of stores over there. So I think like my shadow one over there. I have a Buff Bay market. See the people I showed up on the last video. I don't remember which part soupy place they know, right? That's right there. So 2 place soupy they know. Yo, I did man. There man. You remember my face? You remember my face man? Oh, I'm going. Alright, so Mr. Pete have one ATM on the front before we reach a theme place right on the front right, that's what you see it. Yeah man. Credit you when I'm done with that. Alright, so one lady always sell soup right here, so you see it. Champy generally. You're done, you know nothing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I generally listen to people. Feed soup there, feed juice there, always I bodies, man. I tell you. Bodies juice, man, this is a buff day.
Cherry.
Yeah.
No cherry. No sorrel.
Yeah.
No jump on passion. No jump to one passion.
What that one there? What that?
This cherry.
Cherry? Cherry alone, huh?
Cherries.
Sweet cherry. How it is?
It's a bit of it's fresh.
Oh, it's fresh.
That's sorry.
Sorry, yeah. Give me, it's sorry, sweeter.
Yeah, man.
Alright, give me sorry. How much is it? Alright. So that way, bro. Yeah. Yo, bro, how do you know, yo? YouTube. Alright, people, so I was gonna say, I just buy the juice from my brother a while ago. And the juice I drink, it's drink good, man, I tell you. Yeah, man, I'm a general, man. So, remember, you know, people, if you reach this part of the video, I want to enjoy this video. Don't hesitate. Alright, bro, yeah. Don't hesitate to subscribe. And send up the like stamp on the video so you see it. I don't know, so we have to drop more video than this. You see it? Alright, mommy. Mommy, there, funny. Alright. No, we're not gonna do it. Yeah, you know. Alright, yeah. So how are you name and stuff so people can find you? Alright.
I'm run after one taxi there, I just say, what see there?
Yeah. Well bad. I'm a run after well bad, you see people. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up yourself, brother. So what may I ask you? So how business are going from with you in a taxi? Nobody not travel?
Yeah, the people that travel every day, man, you know, oh, just in the car, what you know, we just start and I tell you, it's a good look so far, so.
Yeah.
But you be on the road,
yeah.
I don't know if sometimes you get wicked and wild and do the thing, you know?
Yeah, man, I rate to see how slow out there, bro.
Oh,
alright. Yeah, man, outside, bro. Alright. Yeah, I did know you know my style already. Yeah. What you know? If we by the time we reach up the night, I'll come down now. Oh. But what time night come down now? Okay. Sweet done. Sweet. You know. Alright, people, so you don't know, you know, this is the buff day taxi car pan. So if you don't want to go scheme, right, that's how you come and get on a taxi. You understand what I say? Yeah, right, that's the big plaza, right, that's yeah.